What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we got another install video. We're actually going to be working on the S2000 today, and I got a part that came in. I actually bought it locally, so cut the JDM wait time. But here's Chris. Y'all remember him? Bro. So if you guys can see, he's working on this. So that's right. I'm going to be putting on a new spoiler for the car. So one thing that the car is missing is definitely a spoiler with all the wide body kit, rear fenders and front fenders. So this is missing one thing, which is the big GT wing. So I got the Voltex Type 2 1700 millimeter. There's a couple of stuff that I had to get. Some of the stuff didn't come with the wing, so I went out and bought some stuff, and I'll show you what it is. So in the meantime, this is what we're going to be putting on the car. So here's the S2000. So I'm going to show you guys how to properly install a GT wing with all the hardware that came with it. So just taped it up so we can start measuring it to see how it looks. Here's the GT wing. So it came with 285 millimeters stands. And then I had to order these base plates since it didn't came with base plates. So these are the Bayro Tech base plates, and then it didn't come with the L bracket as well too. So I had to buy these APR L brackets. So we're gonna mock it up. We're gonna put it on here. We might have to drill new holes because these don't line up perfectly with this. That's what we're gonna do. So right now Chris is just putting on the base plate so we can just put it on the car, measure it, and see where we're gonna mark it so we can drill. And the size of the bolts that I had to get from Ace Hardware as well are M6 by 1.0, and I also got M5 too because some of the slots are a little bit smaller, so I had to get M5s. Pretty much I think you'll need about 10 of them total, just because of these as well. But I think there's 2 on each side, 4 on each side actually, 4 on each side, 2 for the base and 2 for the stand, and then as well as the other side too. So 8, but just get 2 just in case if you want to adjust the wing for M5s. So just putting those on, and then we're gonna see how it looks. Look how naked she looks without that wing. Like she's missing something. I wonder what it is. Would you guys prefer wingless or with wing? So we ran into a little problem. The APR bracket that I got doesn't line up straight with the trunk because I believe it needs to be bent for it to be on the stand and the trunk. So we're gonna have to go to Ace Hardware trying to find some brackets, and hopefully we'll be able to get one that fits. If not, then we would have to make one. So the trunk curves downwards, and then the wing APR bracket goes straight on, so it doesn't flush along with the base plate. So that's an issue. So we gotta go and get some more hardware.
1 week later.
Alright, we are back a week later. So we were able to source a new bracket for the wing. We went to Ace Hardware, and Chris was able to go to his work and pretty much mock up some new brackets for us. A lot sturdier, a lot better than the OEM one that comes with Voltex. If you guys want to see how it is, here it is. So it's sitting here. We already spray painted it black. It's just drying up, but so these brackets right here. So it sits on here, the Bayro plates that I got. brackets pretty much lined up. we just retape this. It's gonna go right here, and then hopefully we'll get this wing on today. So
We'll get it on today.
we will, with no issues. That's what we said last time. Look what happened. A week later, but let's go. Pretty much put the wing on there with the base plate to see how it looks like against the trunk, the bumper. And pretty much this is where we got it. So we marked it up, and now we're just marking the holes, and then once we finish marking it up, then the nerve directing part comes in where we drill to this trunk. So there's our template from the Voltex itself. Voltex template.
Well, that's the bare one.
It's our template.
We have the Voltex pen.
Yeah. So 6 holes total on this new trunk. Well, this unmolested trunk. So 6 holes. But it's gonna be worth it. This wing is gonna be super sturdy. Alright, this is Faddy. Welcome to Jackass. Alright, this is gonna be the hardest part, but we're gonna do it.
Good luck.
So here's the first hole. Oh, the pain. Alright, go second hole.
That's one done. I don't even got five to go.
So we got one down. So second one's right here. Try to get it right in the middle. Holes are drilled. 6 holes. All the shavings. There how it looks inside. Just gonna clean up the burrs. Just make it all smooth again. But it's done. Last piece is just pretty much mounting on the wing. All right, base plate and brackets are all mounted onto the trunk. Super snug. Ain't going nowhere. Final piece of the puzzle. Let's put the wing on. All right, it's been a long day. So we finally got everything measured out, lined up correctly. Holes are drilled in. And so the base plate are in, secured onto the trunk. And so the last piece is just pretty much putting on the wing and then adjusting the, I guess the slant of it.
Angle of attack.
Yeah, the angle of attack. Just make sure it looks slick. And then once we get that adjusted, so the wing should be good. So if you guys want to see how it looks like, here it is. And there it is. I know it's too dark. We had to tighten up a little things, but here's how the wing looks. I'll do a better video of this next round, but just damn.
Yeah, use that antenna. They still
No.
have a calculator in there?
They probably do, but look at that. Alright. I'll continue off tomorrow in the daylight, and I'll finish it off when I do a whole walk around, but that's pretty much it. I'm over here at the gas station, but better lighting now, so here's how it looks.